情人节啦！卡布奇诺。它芋头会很重很浓。我们在伦敦的第一餐就冲来 Chinatown 吃点心。耶！我们现在呢就来到了我们的 hotel， 刚刚 check in 了，然后现在拍一个简单的一个 room tour。这里呢就是门口，然后进来呢，你的右手边就是我们的这个洗脸盆，它就这样子在门的旁边，就是这个洗脸盆，还不错，蛮大的。洗脸盆的右边呢就是厕所，它厕所是有分的，这边是马桶，就只有马桶哦，然后这边旁边呢才是洗澡的，就这样子咯。然后呢走，洗脸盆在右边，左边就是这个衣柜，那就有一个全身镜，然后再往前走呢就是床。然后呢，有一个梳妆台吗？我的口罩，一个梳妆台吧。然后电视，然后这里呢就有咖啡机 ，Nespresso 的咖啡机，下面有咖啡杯，这里就有一些咖啡啊、茶之类的。然后酒店的窗口的 view 呢，我们来看一下好不好看？哎，怎么开啊？OK， 就对面好像也是一个酒店，然后下面就这样简单的 view 吧。
Spring is the season that wakes me alive, and fall is the season to contemplate life. Oh. When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like.
这个是 nachos。
When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's a fact, but how do I know if it's love? I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. Something tells me I should keep on trying.
今天是我们在兰登的第一天早上，我们来这个河边这边吃早餐，点了一个 French breakfast， 还加了一个我最爱的 avocado， 还有 cappuccino。
It's like I should be there by now. I can't see the road somehow. Well, how does my future play out? 'Cause I don't wanna let my mom down. I don't wanna turn 25. Don't know what I'm doing with my life.
好看哦，这条很美。
Something tells me I should keep on trying. But giving up seems way too nice. 24 is where I draw the
我们最后买了一条项链。在外面的风超级大。我们现在来看这个 Stonehenge， 就是那个石头，放个照片在这里。
Now just a memory in my head. Yeah. Now I've been trying to move on. I get car sick when I drive by your place on Walnut. 'Cause I learned how to love in an apartment.
这里的风超级无敌大。
I've been drinking a little, I've been thinking too much about you. All the time and the love that you
刚在路边采了花，一束花。
couple life lessons at 22. After all the shit I put you through, I don't blame.
我们来吃印度餐。
A drop from the ocean, the light of a single star. Just one moment sets you apart. A gift from heaven.
哇，我的面包超级无敌厚，是 pancake。
上面那边还有包。
Hello， 大家，现在我们吃完了早餐，来坐这个船，就是一个 tour 这样子 surrounding 的那个 Cambridge 这边。现在在等上船，然后就可以就出发了。哦，这样做好吧？这样做。
哇哦，真是。
拍你一张。
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the captain. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever.
现在呢，来到这间bakery， 它是卖这边很出名的一个pastry， 叫做 Chelsea bun。我们买了一个 Chelsea bun， 还有一个 cinnamon roll 跟一个 scone。这是 Chelsea bun。 我们现在 on the way 去我们的餐厅，叫做 Sea Fresh， 要去吃晚餐。点了虾，这个是 oyster、scallop， 这个是 mussel。我们今天早上呢，就来到了这个Gordon Ramsay 的 restaurant， 它的第一间 restaurant 在 London， 叫 Restaurant Gordon Ramsay， 来吃午餐。现在已经是差不多1点多了，我们现在就要进去吃我们的午餐。上它的厕所，很漂亮，它的厕所就这样子。
And to think that for you I would have put it all on hold. Now I'm playing in the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old. Can't have my soul, let my heart turned stone. Guess I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space.
这是我们的 starter， 一个 salad。
很多不同的。这个是里面那个。
有一个是生的，
这个好像多来多哎。这个是 beach beach
有一个是生的，比较黑的。
Time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new biddy, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next.
我们的 main course 是一个牛肉。
The rarest in the raw fashion, I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
最爱的 cheese platter。
This ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
我们现在走着去那个 London Bridge。哦，我们刚刚找到了 London Bridge， 然后其实那个我们大家熟知的是叫做 London Tower Bridge 那首歌，所以我们现在在走着去。我们到唐人街啦。
I still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother. But let's see where this leads. What should we do?
哦，有点难弄。哇，很大口哎！它芋头味很重很浓。